How to use Binance Lite tutorials for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to get started with Binance Lite. So as you can see, I have opened up Binance, and as a beginner, Binance can be so confusing and so difficult. It has so many different things and you might just get lost in the application. So I'm going to show you guys how to get started with Binance Lite. It is especially helpful for beginners, people that are just starting out, and if you want to simply purchase cryptocurrency or purchase any coin using fiat currency such as BUSD or BNB or BT, whatever fiat currency that you are using. And if you just want to purchase some simple crypto, hold some crypto and do some basic understanding or basic holding and trading of crypto, Binance Lite is going to be more than sufficient for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to download the Binance application. No, there is not a separate application for Binance Lite. You're just going to download the regular old Binance application like I have over here. Open up that application and log on to your Binance account. So whatever account you have, if you don't have one, you can simply register and provide identity verification. Once you have provided identity verification, your account will be ready to do transactions. And once you do that, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your top left over here. So this person over here on the top left, you're going to click on that over here, and then you're just going to turn on Binance Lite from the right section over here, and this will convert your Binance application into the more simplified Binance Lite. So you can see over here it is so much more simpler now. You have basic options such as, if you scroll down, you will get your basic coin charts. You will have your watch lists as well, so you can add multiple different tokens over there. You can also browse different NFTs on the Binance platform as well. But primarily, you will have two basic options. You will have the deposit section, where you can deposit any fiat. So let's say we want to deposit basic currency. So let's say we want to go on and deposit USD. So you're going to select your USD, you're going to click on continue, and then you're just going to enter the amount of USD you want to deposit. You're going to click on continue over here, and then just enter your bank information, and then your USD will be deposited into your account. And if you want to deposit a crypto fiat, so you want to deposit something like BNB over here, you're going to select that, and then you're going to click on next over here, next. You're going to click on deposit now, and then you're going to choose your network. You can go with the Ethereum network depending on the gas fees. Now after that, you can just scan this code to deposit, or save this image or share this address with whatever other account or other platform you are going to use to deposit direct crypto into your account. And you also have the simple buy crypto function where you can search for any token that you want. So let's say we want to purchase Polkadot, so you can click on over here, and then you can see that this can be bought using fiat. So they're going to lead you again to the USDT platform. You're going to go on ahead and buy USDT, and you can choose whatever platform you want to use to buy the USDT. And once you bought the USDT, you can go on ahead and purchase that token. So this is so simplified. And if you want to sell that token, so let's say that you want to sell a token, then you might be wondering, I don't have any selling options over here. Well, it's very simple. You're going to click on buy crypto, take a look at whatever coin you want to sell, and click on sell on the top right over here. And now you can actually go on ahead and sell that token. So let's say you want to sell this much worth of token. So obviously I don't have the balance in my account, but you can go on ahead and select that, and you can also make sure to choose the currency of your choice. So you can choose this to USDT, you can USD, or you can choose any other dollar or any other currency of your local area to make sure that it is easier for you to get started with Binance Lite. So in this way, you can both deposit fiat into your account simply by depositing whatever currency you want, or once you have done that, you can also choose to buy crypto via that fiat. So you can just select any crypto token that you want, and if you want to sell that token, you're just going to click on sell over here and use your available balance to sell that token. Below that, you also have your basic charts over here. So if you click on a token over here, this will show you guys the token prices. You can have a graph illustrate the data, and you can choose 1 month, 1 year, 1 week, and then below that you also have some news and about section. So you can click on the about section to see details about the token that you are looking at. And if you want to put it on your watch list, you're just going to click on the star on the top right of your screen, and this will be added to your watch list. Now You can also click on convert over here. So you can convert this token into another token, or you can select any two tokens of your choice to be able to trade in a way. So you can trade any two tokens in this way, or you can even put a limit order. So you might be wondering, limit orders are complicated. Well, it's very simple. You're going to choose the token of your choice. Let's say we want to convert Australian dollars to BTC. Then you're going to add the amount of Australian dollars or USD. So we want BUSD to BTC, and let's say I want to convert 2000 BUSD at the price expires in 1 day to BTC. And then you can just place this order, and when the price of BTC reaches the price that you entered over here, so the market price is 22874, and let's say I want to buy it at a lower price. So let's say I want to buy it at 22000. So when the price reaches this point, the order, I can click on place order over here. When the price reaches this point, I would automatically be purchasing the token of my choice. So you can put in limit orders on the Binance Lite as well as simple market orders to be able to experience the full cryptocurrency exchange. So you also have a option to deposit and buy on the bottom. You can click on these to go ahead and view those in detail, and you can also go on ahead and go to your basic exchange over here and click on NFTs and then browse the NFTs. And if you click on the NFT over here, this will open up a new tab on top in the application, and this will lead you to the Binance NFT platform, where you can browse different NFTs and purchase those simply from the Binance Lite platform wallet as well. And you can see, if you click on your top left icon, you will have your entire details, all of your referrals, notifications, all of the basic information or settings you would normally have on your Binance Lite application. And if you, once you get used to Binance Lite, once you feel like, hey, I can do a lot more complicated trading now, I don't really need Binance Lite, then you can turn it off as you wish and move back to Binance.com or the regular version of Binance. And then if you find, and you can do this as many times as you want, you can go back to Binance Lite as soon as you feel like it. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.